Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Blisstina Utonium from Powerpuff Girls. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw an oval for the shape of the head. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the bangs. Let's start on the top right and let's draw a line in, a curved V shape up, curve it over, stopping in the center. Now let's angle it up, another V shape point over to the left, and then one more curve over to finish it off. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with a curve down and over on the left, and the same thing on the right side. Now inside each of the eyes, let's draw a large circle towards the center. And then another circle inside each of these. And now let's color the outer rings in black. Lastly, let's add one more curve inside each of the eyes. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move underneath and let's draw a U-shaped curve in the center for the mouth. Next, let's hop on top of the head and let's draw a curve up on the right, bring it over and angle it down. Then another shorter piece next to it. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Underneath the head, let's draw two angled lines down. And then a curve across the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw another curve. And then color the bottom section in black. Next, from the bottom corners, let's curve it out and down. And then another curve across. Now let's move out to the sides and draw the arms. Let's start at the top next to the body and let's draw a curve out and curve it in. And the same on the right. Now let's move on top and let's draw another curve in the same way. And then close off the ends with another curve. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath on the left, let's draw two angled lines down. And the same thing on the right. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw another curve near the bottom of each leg. And then hop back down to the bottom and let's draw a curve underneath for the feet. Now inside each foot, let's draw a curve near the top, and then a U-shaped curve underneath. And then color the rest of the shoes in black. And that's it for the body. Now let's move out and let's draw the hair. Let's start from the sides of the head and let's draw a curve out on both sides. Now on the right side, let's draw a curve down, then a curve in and back out. And then another longer curve down, another curve in and out, and then curve it back in to the side of the leg. Now let's move back over to the top left and let's draw a smaller line down, curve it in and out, another curve down, a curve in and out again, then a longer curve down, another notch in, and then curve it down to the leg. Next, let's hop in between the legs and let's continue both of the sides in, leaving a gap. And then let's draw a notch up and back down. And that's it for Blisstina. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!